Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an external hard drive that is not showing up in Windows 11. First, check the physical connection. Disconnect the drive and reconnect it using a different USB port. If the drive still doesn't appear, right-click the Start button and open Disk Management. Look for your external drive in the list at the bottom. If the drive is visible but doesn't have a drive letter, right-click its partition, select Change Drive Letter and Paths, then add a new drive letter. After assigning a letter, the drive should appear in File Explorer. If the drive shows as unallocated, right-click it, select New Simple Volume, and follow the setup wizard. Keep in mind that formatting a new volume removes existing data if the drive previously contained files. If that doesn't solve the problem, right-click the Start button again and open Device Manager. Expand Disk, Drives, and Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click your external hard drive and select Update Driver. If updating doesn't help, choose Uninstall Device instead. Do the same for any USB controllers if necessary, then restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the required drivers during startup. After trying these steps, reconnect your external hard drive and check if it now appears in File Explorer. Thanks for watching.